Do you want to go outside? Is that a yes? Is that a yes? Do you want to go outside? Is that a yes? Polito, I need a firm answer. Give me paw. Give me paw. Don't be bad. Give me paw. Give me... I'm going to give you some steak tips. Give me paw. Or if not, we're not going outside. Give me paw. Well, apparently Apollo does not want to comply right now. Give me paw. We'll go outside. All right, fine. Let's go. Let's go. We're going outside. Let's go. We're going outside. We got Polito outside. Hey, what's going on, Charlie? Polito's outside. He's outside. That's what he wanted. There you go. I got the extension cord out, guys. We're about to do some work. So today's project, I'm gonna try to drill a grounding rod into the ground. I'm trying to see if I can do this successfully. Last time I tried doing this, it was in the winter, and the ground was frozen. Bad idea, guys. But yeah, another day, another helium dollar. Stay tuned. We're gonna stabilize the grounding system. This is the current ground right now.